How about this one? Yeah, cheesy. This is how they look. Yeah. Okay. The white sauce to the red sauce. And now it's a good mix. Still has hard content. Okay. This is the red sauce. More liquidy. Oh no. The red sauce, tomato paste, some spices, barbecue spice, 2 tablespoons of hot water. We mix the ingredient. This is how it looks. We add pasta. Seems very starving for water. Like the more you put, the more they drink it. So last part, crunch barbecue. This is barbecue, not white sauce. Some grilled things, very barbecue-y meat. Doesn't look appetizing meat. Very tomato pasty.